If you're new to Udemy and want to start learning online, I'll show you the simple steps to create your account and get started. Start by opening Udemy on your browser or launching the app on your device. On the main screen, locate and click or tap Sign Up, usually at the top right corner. You will see fields to enter your full name, email address, and password. Make sure your email is valid because it will be used for verification and notifications. Alternatively, you can choose to sign up using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account by tapping the corresponding button. Once you've entered all the required information, click Sign Up and Udemy will create your account. You may receive a verification email. Open it and follow the instructions to confirm your email address. Once confirmed, your Udemy account is ready to use, and you can start browsing or purchasing courses immediately. Now you know how to create a Udemy account and get started with your learning journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.